So I got this box from Fortune Auto, and I wanted to share it with you guys and see what's inside. Shall we? So far it looks good. Some nice decals for the car. Even smaller decals. Got a pouch here with more decals. I'm gonna guess those are probably gonna be toolbox decals. A thank you card. My mom would be proud. Assembly certificate signed by the guys that build these coilovers, because they are all hand built. Some wrenches and the coup de grace. Some Fortune 510 coilovers for the E46. Get back my knife. In case you're wondering, yeah, I'm doing this in the dining room because, you know, where else would you do it?
They're pretty.
Aren't they? And I went with the Swift springs. That's an upgrade over the regular Fortune Auto springs. So those are the fronts. This is another front. Looks just like that one. And I am making sure that they look right. Not like a pair of shoes where you only try one on and get home and find out that the other one doesn't fit. And over here, we've got one of the rear shocks. E46 doesn't have a true coilover in the rear. It has what's called a divorced spring. So that's why it only has coils on one set. But over here, we have here we go. Oops. Here's the rear springs, or one of them. And then what else is in here? The other rear shock. The other rear spring. And like any true adjustable ride height car, adjustable sway bar links. So we can get the geometry of the sway bars, or the front sway bar, just right. So these are my Fortune Auto 510 coilovers. I can't wait to put them on the car, which I'll show you next time. Thanks. We can edit some of that, like this talking that we're doing right now. We can edit that out. Yeah. Ready? I'm nervous. Hey, I wanted, this is where we're gonna edit this stuff. Hey, it's your friendly neighborhood Dan.
Neighborhood.
Really?
You said neighborhood.
Yeah.
Not your neighbor. You're not a neighborhood.
I'm your friendly neighborhood Dan. Every neighborhood has a Dan.
Okay.
All right, we're keeping this in.
No.